Hey everyone, friends, welcome to Vala's channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the error when Messenger can't send your messages. So for this we go to the menu. You'll need to go to Settings. Next you'll need to tap on Help. Here the menu is loading. So what do we need here? We need to... Let's go in. There are also some options here that might solve this issue, but we need to click the No button, write something else, click Select, and write to support about our problem with sending messages. For example, hello support, I'm facing an issue where Messenger can't send my messages, please help. You answer. You can write your email here, yes, your email address. And I click the submit button, and after that, this problem will be resolved. That's all for now. This was Valor. Goodbye, everyone.